The reason most of the students choose the Alaska Hybrid Pathway, first is that they live in Alaska and they would have to relocate to go to an OT program. We also work real closely with the military. So we have wives, family members that move in and are stationed up in Alaska.
I love that it's in Alaska, and it's a hybrid program, so I'm able to watch my lectures early in the morning and then I have the rest of the day to either study or go do things outside.
Cura Personalis has to do with care for the whole person, and I think that really is the basis for our occupational therapy program.
I would say that one of the primary differences is our clinical preparation. They always say, how well prepared our students are from a clinical standpoint.
It really made me interested in community work because that was something I was not considering beforehand, and so being able to get into an area that had OT within the community was really fun and really cool.
We don't just open pathways, to fill seats or anything like that. It's really, to meet those needs of those communities, those underserved communities. And so for us to have that outreach and to have that connection with the community and to have our students graduate and provide those services is remarkable.